Christmas theme earrings, and hopefully we'll have them all done by today or tomorrow. So yeah, I'll just show you guys a little bit of how I do it and things like that. So yeah. These little minty pastel knots for Christmas, and I'm going to put them in the oven. Backyard, and I'm going to just tell you guys a little bit on like where I've been and how I haven't been posting. So pretty much I moved from Monterrey to Tamaulipas to visit my mother-in-law and just stay with her for a little bit till we kind of, you know, go back to the US because of all of this that's happening. And I wanted to vlog and also do a lot of sewing projects and things like that. Unfortunately, I did get sick. I usually get like traveler sickness or something. So I did have the stomach flu in the beginning of October for like about a week and a half, and then I kind of like recovered, and like a week after that I did get dengue fever. So pretty much dengue fever is where you get bit by a mosquito that has the dengue virus, and so I got that and I got pretty sick, and it was really bad. So it was not just me, but it was also my husband, so we both kind of got it, and I'm still kind of recovering, but I am back on YouTube, and hopefully this video kind of calmed you down and stuff. And I kind of just wanted to come in here and update you a little bit on where I was. And also, as you noticed in the video, I opened up my shop, so it's kind of like a vintage thrifted shop with some polymer clay earrings, and not just like this but also some earrings that I will be kind of like curating as well, and other things in the future. I might also do some like reworked tops and bottoms and things like that, so that's kind of like what I want to achieve in the future. And so yeah, I kind of wanted to do a little update for you guys.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause